Did you know that a balanced breakfast can improve memory and cognitive function in seniors? Studies show that starting the day with the right nutrients can make a big difference. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of changes that affect how we process and respond to nutrients. Seniors over 60 have unique nutritional needs that require careful consideration, especially when it comes to breakfast. A well-balanced breakfast can provide the energy and essential nutrients needed to tackle the day. Many seniors tend to skip breakfast or opt for convenience foods that are high in sugar and low in essential nutrients. While it might be tempting to grab a sugary cereal or a pastry on the go, these foods can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leaving you feeling lethargic and sluggish. Furthermore, a diet lacking essential nutrients can exacerbate age-related health issues such as osteoporosis, diabetes, and heart disease. Some common breakfast choices among seniors might include sugary cereals, pastries, or even skipping breakfast altogether. However, these options can be detrimental to their health. For instance, a breakfast high in sugar can lead to an increased risk of developing insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Additionally, skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later in the day, which can put a strain on the digestive system. The good news is that there are many delicious and nutritious breakfast options that cater specifically to seniors. One of the best breakfast choices is oatmeal, rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Adding fruits such as berries or bananas provides a boost of antioxidants and essential vitamins. Eggs are another excellent option, high in protein, which can help maintain muscle mass and support bone health. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your breakfast routine can have a significant impact on overall health and wellness. For example, the fiber in oatmeal can help promote digestive health, while the antioxidants in fruits can help protect against cell damage. Eggs, rich in protein, can help support muscle mass and bone health. Preparing a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Simple meals like oatmeal with fruit or scrambled eggs with whole grain toast can be made in no time. You can also prepare breakfast the night before, such as overnight oats or breakfast burritos, to make mornings easier. To make healthy breakfast choices, it's essential to plan ahead and have a few go-to recipes on hand. Consider meal prepping on the weekends or making a batch of healthy breakfast muffins to enjoy throughout the week. You can also experiment with different spices and ingredients to add flavor and variety to your breakfast routine. In conclusion, a balanced breakfast is crucial for seniors, providing the energy and essential nutrients needed to tackle the day. By making informed choices and incorporating nutrient-rich foods into their breakfast routine, seniors can enhance their quality of life and reduce the risk of age-related health issues. A healthy breakfast can have a profound impact on a senior's overall well-being, from improving cognitive function to supporting physical health. It's never too late to make a change and start enjoying the benefits of a nutritious breakfast. By prioritizing breakfast and making healthy choices, seniors can take control of their health and well-being. If you're a senior looking for healthy breakfast ideas, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite breakfast recipes in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on healthy eating for seniors.